Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video I'll be making this 3D part, and this is not that much complicated. It is very easy and it all remains with your understanding. So this is front view, this is top view, sectioned right view. So I shall start my drawing with this base part. So going for new, uncheck this, choose mmns part, solid absolute method, and switch on the plane axis as required. Now I'm going for extrude. In placement I'm going to choose define, top plane, sketch. That's it. Go for 2D sketch. Now okay, it's all up to the set plane we have made, and we need to have some diagram study. So here we can see that this is R21 circle and this is R8 circle. It is offsetted at symmetric distance of 86 and it is extruded with thickness of 16 mm. Okay, fine. So 21 and R8. First I'm going to draw a circle, two circles. One is of R8, which means 16 in dia, and another of 21, which means 21 into 2, 42. Now this is going to be 86, half of which is 43. I'm going to draw a line from one quadrant, just touching the outer circle, and here to here. Delete this segment and also this segment. This is all ready. Select the sketch, go for 2D mirror. Now I'm going to go with line tangent, touch both the circles for connection. Go for the delete segment once again, delete the unwanted segment. So this is going to be extruded for 16. So my base part is ready. Now I need to draw my second operation, that is this rectangular part. So for that I'm going to draw a circle keeping this surface as my reference, and I'm going to draw a rectangle of 70 length, and its reference is from the side surface to here is 60, and this breadth value is actually 15. It can be extruded to 62. So select this surface, go for extrude, just place here, change the view to hidden line, take this line as reference, switch off the plane display. Now I'm going to draw my center rectangle circle so that I don't go up with the symmetric option. So just put here, go for 15, and this is going to be 70, and from my top to here is 60. So this to this is 60. Oh, actually this is wrong, and okay, so I'm going to delete this 15. So now change the dimension, that's 60. Now so I've made to 60. Now just flip to opposite direction, flip to opposite direction, go for 62. This is given here 62, right? And okay, there is no problem with this. Now I need to take an L slot. This one is completely throughout, and here you need to go for perpendicular one. So that's length is actually 22, and it's throughout. Okay, so I shall select this, go for extrude. I need to see the thickness, the breadth. It's 12. Okay, so I'm going to draw a rectangle 22 this is 12, and from here to here they haven't mentioned anything. I'm going for, you know, coincident. Touch this line. Okay, this is throughout, so just go for selected surface, just select the bottom surface, click remove material, it removes the whole of it. Now I'm going to select this surface, and this is obviously 22, and its extrusion level is, you know, up to 8 mm. So select the surface, go for extrude, and taking reference this line, this vertical line, draw a corner rectangle here to here and put it as height. Flip the material, it will remove it. Okay, change the view. Now I need to place a round, that is R5, on 4 sides. So select round, this edge, this edge, this and this. Okay, now I need to place a hole, so its distance, I mean center to center distance is 50, and 2 circles of 12 diameter. It is offsetted, you know, where from base to here is 38. So I'm going to switch on hole, just put it here, switch on the plane display, and from here taking this clip to this plane, taking to this clip to this bottom surface, and from here to here is 38, and this one is 25. Here I'm going to change as 12. For shape up to extension, I'm going first to select it, select the surface. So my one hole is ready. Go for 3D mirror, select the center plane, click OK. That's it, my part is ready. So please kindly do subscribe my channel.